Good morning, everyone. Our target for today is multiplication of decimals up to 2 decimal places by 1 to 2 digit whole numbers. What do you see on our board? Okay, that is
Square.
absolutely, that is
Yellow square.
a yellow square. Or so how many sides does the square have? Obviously, we
Four.
have 4. And then, what can you say about the sides of the square? They have the same sides or they have equal sides. So, lahat ng sides nila ay pare-parehas ng sukat as long as the shape is square. Always remember that. Next. So, lagay ko muna sa gilid itong square natin, ha? And then, kung pare-parehas ng sukat, and let's take it into consideration that I will put 4.2. What is cm stands for? So, we
Centimeter po.
have centimeter. Now, if I have a value of 4.2 centimeter at the bottom part of our square, therefore, sa taas niya is 4.2 centimeter. And the same with the both sides. So, lahat yan 4.2 centimeters. Okay? So, that is the definition of square. They have 4 equal sides. Can you guess now its perimeter? Based on our example, how do we define perimeter? Paano nyo na-solve si perimeter? You add the sides or you add the 4 sides. Inad nyo lang siya, di ba? Kaya nyo siya nakuhang 16.8. Lagyan natin dito, let's label it. This is 8. Bring down the decimal point. And then, if we add the 4, that is 16. Okay. Let's apply now. How many sides do we have in a square? We have 4. So, what is the value of each side? The value is 4.2. This is the value. And then, how many 4.2 do we have? Nasaan yung 4 na yan? Bibilangin ko. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, now, we're going to multiply instead of adding all sides. Multiplication of decimals is somewhat similar to multiplication of whole numbers. So, for sure, you are familiar with the rules on how to multiply. So, 4 times 2. We're going to multiply this one. 4 times 2 is 8. And then, 4 times 4 is 16. Oops, ma'am. Why is it the answer is 168 and on our addition is 16.8? They are not the same, obviously. In multiplying decimals, always remember that the number of decimal places must be counted. Focus on the board. Ilang decimal places meron dito sa given? 1. Ito lang yun. Yung number na lagpas kay decimal point. If the number is a whole number, the decimal point is nasa dulo. Now, kung meron kang decimal places dito at yun ay isa, you need to move the decimal point of your product from right going to left. Here. So, the answer is 16.8. And then, cm. They are just the same. Ulitin ko. Kung ilan ang decimal places, you need to add all of them. Since on our given, we only have 1 because our multiplier 4 doesn't have decimal places. So, 1 lang dyan sa given natin. Kaya, isang movement lang ang ginawa ko. Another example. How about this one? How many decimal places? Here, we have 1. Dito sa ating multiplier, 0. Add natin 1. So, you need to move the decimal point of your product from right to left once only. So, multiply natin. 7 times 6. That is 42. Lagay natin dito si 2 and then carry 4. 7 times 4 is 20. 8 plus 4,
28.
that is
2.
32. Look at the board. Inad natin yung decimal places, ang lumabas, isa. So, pag whole number, ang decimal point niya nasa dulo, we need to move here. So, nandito na ang decimal point. This one, look at the board. How many decimal places on our multiplicand? Multiplicand yung unang number. Ito yun, yung nasa taas, yung first given. So, how many decimal places? We have here 1. And then add. That is 2. So,
2.
you need to move your decimal point later 2 times. 6 times 9 is 54. Carry 5. And then 6 times 3 is 18 plus 5 is 23. And then we will proceed on the next number, which is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. 45, carry 4. And then 45. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4, that is 19. So 9 and then 1. And then we're going to add. Look at the product. So kanina, tinignan natin ilang decimal places. Ang total ay 2. So we need to move 1, 2. 1, 2. So lagay mo dyan yung decimal point mo. And that's our answer. Next, how about this one? How many decimal places all in all? We have 3. Bakit naging 3 po, ma'am? This one. This is 2. Okay? And then this is 1. Ma'am, saan po ba nakikita yung 2 and 1? Balikan natin. Yung number after ng decimal point, yun yung decimal places. Isa, dalawa. Kaya siya 2. Dito naman, isa lang. Kaya siya 1. Pag inad mo tong dalawa, tatlo. So mamaya sa sagot natin, mag-move ka ng decimal point 3 times. Let's continue. So 8 times 6 is 48. Carry 4. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 4 is 44. Carry 4. And then 8 times 4 is 32 plus 4, that is 36. Carry 3. And then 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11. And then let's proceed to the next number on the left. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. And then 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then 2 times 1 is 2. And then add. So this is 8, this is 6, this is 7, this is 10, carry 1, and 4. You need to move your decimal point 3 times. Mula sa dulo, isa, dalawa, tatlo. So, nandito na ang decimal point mo. So, we have now, our final answer natin ay 40.768. Malalaman ko pag mali ang inyong sagot, doon sa decimal places pa lang. Dito, we have 2 at dito meron tayong 2. So, dapat ang movement, ang decimal places mo sa product ay 4. Pag dalawa lang yan, automatic, your answer is wrong. 13.79 times 5.46. So, our final answer is, sulat ko na lang, we have 75.2,900 34 10,000s. This will be our answer. Anong
Sana po.
dapat tandaan? Sa addition and subtraction, the alignment of decimal point is the most important. In multiplication naman, the most important is the number of decimal places in multiplicand and the multiplier.